Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your vacuum is not spinning and how to fix it. Watch until the end of the video to learn this and much more. Reasons why your vacuum won't spin. A clogged brush roll. Over time, hair, debris, and dust can pile up around the brush roll, which may hinder the vacuum from spinning. A faulty drive belt. When you use the vacuum over time, the drive belt may wear down and even break. If it breaks, your vacuum won't spin, as it won't transfer power to the brush roll. A tripped brush roll motor. When the brush roll of your vacuum overheats, it'll trip, and your vacuum won't spin. What to do to resolve the issue? Clean the brush roll. Switch off the vacuum and fully clean the brush roll with scissors and pliers. You'll use the scissors to cut hair, rug fibers, or strings in the brush roll. Replace the drive belt. If the drive belt of your vacuum is broken, switch it off and pull out the base plate. Then, take out the brush bar and the faulty drive belt. Attach the new drive belt to the brush roll and place the brush bar in its original position. Then, reinstall the base plate. Reset the brush roll motor. If the brush roll motor trips, wait for it to cool down, and then reset it by pressing the reset button. So there you have it. Identifying the reason why your vacuum won't spin and fixing it is just that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.